Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and now I'm gonna show you how to install and how to set up free VPN application on your device. Firstly, open web browser to check how websites see our location. So open web browser and go to turbo.io website. Thanks to this website we can see how websites see our location. I'm in Poland, in Krakow, it's true. And now open your Play Store and find here Turbo VPN application. Find the app with the rabbit on the icon and click install. Wait a while, click open, agree, wait a while again. Choose the cross on the left up corner and cool. Here we see the globe. By clicking on the globe, we can choose the country you want to connect to. For example, Germany, United States. Here we have 2 free servers and 2 prime servers. In Indonesia, we have only prime servers. For example, in Chile too. So we have free servers only in United Kingdom, in Germany, in Canada, and in the United States. In the United States we have a lot of free servers. So cool. Or just click on the caret on the center of your screen to connect to the nearest and to the fastest server. So click on the caret, click allow, wait a while, and cool. Now just check how 2ap.io see our location now. So reload 2ap.io web page, and as you can see we are in the United States now. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.